The question of the day is, a rectangle ABCD is such that it contains four rectangles given by this area, that is the area equals to 40, the area equals to 28, the area equals to 24 and the area equals to 15, and these four rectangles are bounding a square of area 1 units. Alright, so this is a square of area 1 unit. We have to find the dimensions of the rectangle ABCD. So we have to find the dimensions of this rectangle, that is we have to find this length and this breadth, right? Alright, pause the video if you want to give this question a try and then resume the video when you want to check out the solution. Alright, now let us check out the solution. So what we do is, the first thing that we need to do is we need to declare a variable. Alright, now let us suppose that this length over here is x units. Now if this length is x units and the area of this rectangle is equals to 15 units, then we can easily state that this length will be equals to 15 divided by x. Alright, because the length of this rectangle into the breadth of this rectangle will give us the area of this rectangle. Alright, now if this is a square and it has an area of 1, that simply implies that this length over here will be 1 unit and this length will be 1 unit again, this length will be equals to 1 unit and again this length will be equals to 1 unit, right? Now if you observe, then this length over here will be equals to 15 by x plus this one, right? Because this length is actually equals to this one plus this 15 by x. So this length will be given by 15 plus x divided by x. Alright, and again, now if this is the breadth of this rectangle, then the length of this rectangle can be written as area divided by the breadth of this rectangle. So this will come out to be equals to 28x upon 15 plus x. Okay, so this length is equals to 28x upon 15 plus x, right? Now moving further, because this is equals to x and hence we can state that this length over here will be equal to x minus 1, okay, and hence this length will be equals to 24 upon x minus 1, that is this into this should be equal to the area, which is equals to 24. Now this length can be written as this length, that is 24 upon x minus 1 minus this length, that is equals to 1. So this length will be given by 24 upon x minus 1 minus 1. So this length will come out to be equals to 25 minus x upon x minus 1. Okay, so this is the width of this rectangle, okay, and hence the length of this rectangle will be given by the area divided by the width of this rectangle. So this will be given by 40 into x minus 1 upon 25 minus x. Now there will be a very clear relation between this length and this length, okay, and that is that this length is equals to this length plus this length, that is equals to 1, and hence we get our first relation which we will be solving to find the value of x. So now we have this relation over here, that is 40 into x minus 1 upon 25 minus x is equals to 28x upon 15 plus x plus 1. Now this is a very simple equation, and if you know a little bit of quadratic equation, then you can solve this equation yourself. Now I am just going to do the calculation once. So this will give us 40x minus 40 upon 25 minus x is equals to 29x plus 15 upon 15 plus x. Now doing a little bit of multiplication, we get that 40x minus 40 into 15 plus x is equals to 29x plus 15 into 25 minus x. And then solving further, we get 69x square minus 150x minus 975 is equals to 0. Now this is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, and this is divisible by 3. Therefore, after reducing this equation, we get a simple quadratic equation, that is 23x square minus 50x minus 325 is equals to 0. Alright. Now all we need to do is we need to solve this quadratic equation to get the value of the variable, that is x. So now let us move forward. So our equation was 23x square minus 50x minus 325 is equals to 0. And we are going to be using a very simple formula, that is for the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, the roots, that is the values of x which satisfy this equation, are given by minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now applying this formula, we get that the roots are minus b. What is b? Minus 50 plus minus under the root of b square, so that is minus 50 whole square, minus 4 into a, which is 23, into c, which is minus 325 divided by 2a, that is 2 into 23. Okay. Now this may look like a very complicated calculation, but it is not that difficult. Okay. Let's look. Minus of minus 50 will become 50, plus minus under the root of minus 50 whole square will become 2500, and then this negative sign and this negative sign will cancel out each other, and this will become a positive sign. So 4 into 325 is actually equal to 1700, and when 1700 is multiplied by this 23, this will give us 29900 and divided by 46. Okay. Now the roots are x is equals to 50 plus minus. So when you add this number and this number, you actually get 32400, and 324 is the square of the number 18. Therefore, under root of 32400 will be equals to 180. Okay. So when divided by 46, this will give us x is equals to 50 plus minus 180 divided by 46. So when you consider the two cases, you either get that x is equals to 50 plus 180 divided by 46, which will give us the value of 5, or x is equals to minus 65 divided by 23. Now obviously this is not possible, because you know that the length cannot be negative, and hence we get that the value of x is equals to 5. So then putting these values over here, we get that this value is equals to 5. then obviously this value will be equals to 3, which will imply that this value is equals to 4 and this value will be equals to 7, which will imply that this length is equals to 8 and this length is equals to 5. So now one thing is clear, that the width of this rectangle is equals to 9. So that is, the value of AD will be equals to 9 unit, and the same can obviously be said for the value of BC, because this is a rectangle, right? And the length of this rectangle is equals to 7 plus 5, that is 12 units. Okay, and these, my friends, are the dimensions of this rectangle. That is, the length is equals to 12 and the breadth is equals to 9. I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.